Hi, CADBOTS here with another short video on how to use our apps. If you have not already tried one of our time-saving apps, what are you waiting for? We facilitate workflow and make your life easier. Click on the link below to the Autodesk App Store and get the free app right now. Using our apps is quite simple. When Autocad first starts up, click the Start Drawing / Get Started button on the intro screen and start a new drawing. This newly started drawing is essentially where you should run all CADBOTS commands from. All CADBOTS commands start with the letters CADBOTS. If you prefer using the command line, this acronym makes it really easy to access all our commands. Alternately, you can go to the Add In menu and access our command buttons. Most of our apps work on multiple drawings simultaneously, and the user is asked to select the directory or directories on which the app should perform its task. The user should therefore make sure no drawings to be worked on are open in the directory or directories selected. The indicator for files being open in a directory, as most AutoCAD users might already know, is the presence of a file with the DWL extension for the file name. If you use Windows Explorer to navigate to the directories that you're about to run the app on and see files with the DWL extension, then chances are that the file will not be edited by the routine. So please close these files and then run the routine. So that is it. A, start from a blank file, and B, make sure that none of the files in the directory that you're about to run the app on are open. Once you have done these two things, you can run most of our apps. Hope this tip was useful to our app users. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can see when we put out videos for our apps, especially the new ones. Get in touch with us for our low price customization or custom apps that we can develop for you. Thank you and see you next time.